them, children of the night. What music they make.
Well, heidi-ho, guys, gals, ghosts, goblins, ghouls, poltergeists, vampires, werewolves, killer clowns, things that go bump in the night. Whatever you might be. Skip here, Skip-O-Matic-Modelmania. And we have the final on the 2021 Halloween group build, sponsored by Russell's Model Cars. And Earl's back. Earl's been away for a little while. He's brought a friend with him tonight. And so, Earl, who's your friend? Hello, Gary. Really? Gary? Okay. So, what are you guys up to tonight? Oh, I see a Halloween party. Oh, a gargoyle Halloween party. So I see you have a costume of sorts there, Earl. What are you supposed to be? I couldn't guess, Earl. You look like a tree rat with green butterfly wings to me. No? Guess again? Okay, Rocky the Flying Squirrel. No? I give up then. You tell me. A what? A squirrel goyle. Whatever you say, Earl. You're silly sometimes. So, you guys have dates, or you going to try and pick up some goyles at the party? No? Well, Gary thought it was funny. Anyway, you guys need to disappear so I can, finish this video here. So, anyway, I got this magic eraser, so let me see if I read the instructions properly. And let me get it out here. And let's see. Here's the instruction. Okay, here we go. All right, you guys need to go. Let's see. Ella kabop, Ella kaboo, cheesy poof. All right, these guys are out of here. Now we can talk about this build. So this is the AMT Monster Rods Creepy Tea. I think it's one of 3 in the series. I believe Keith at Keith's Models and RCs is doing one of these, the Mummy Machine. So you need to go over and check out Keith's Mummy Machine. I think he's got his done now. Anyway, go check him out. It's like one of the sister kits to this one. So this one is the Creepy Tea. Glow in the dark stuff. This one had glow in the dark stuff. The skull is a front and a back, but the seam was so bad here I had to fill it and finish it. You can kind of see right there a little bit of it yet. Well, then doing that, you lose the glow in the dark. So I had some glow in the dark acrylic paint, so I repainted the skull, and I ended up screwing up and spray painted this and covered the bat and that, so I repainted that too. But I didn't want a lot of glow in the dark. So it's kind of a fragile, finicky little kit. A lot of the stuff fits crooked. The engine has, everything wants to go different angles. It's hard to get them all straight. But here it is. It's apparently an older kit. This must have been popped quite a few times. The flash on these, especially the chrome parts, is just horrendous. So you got to do a lot of work just trying to clean up parts. Thank God for Molotov chrome pens, touching up the chrome everywhere. But that's it. It's not Not really a complicated kit. Don't know much else to say about it. Got 3 blowers on it, which is kind of ridiculous, but it's a ridiculous looking car. I don't know how you get in and out of this thing. You have to be pretty agile and pretty young. I know I'd never get in and out of there. But, this is it. The creepy T. Yep. Got the red lenses for the eyes. These were kind of a pain to put together. And the coffin case back here that I guess is a fuel cell. Got 2 of those Monza flip caps on it. Little snake bars for bumperettes. And this is very fragile. It's a very fragile model. Kind of finicky to get together. Especially all these radius bars and everything. See, I can take the skull off, and there it is. I did the engine block in purple. Actually it's what's the tester's one? Purplicious, I believe it is. And did some purple seat cushion and carpet. And everything else is black, except for the grill. Grill I kind of did in a granite. Tried to do a granite to look as a gravestone. There it is. Not too bad. Just needed time to put it together. You can see it's got the dashboard. It's kind of pretty silly build. You never gas pedal and the brake pedal slam right into the dashboard and the 2 knobs there. So it's not. It's just a show. It's a show vehicle, which is pretty obvious because it is pretty silly. And that's it. Creepy T. So I've been wanting to build this. I got it built now. Oops, knocked something apart here. Here we go. Some of the glue on this is probably still wet. I just finished this about an hour ago. So there it is. Now I got the mummy machine, and it's a glow-in-the-dark, Monster Rod's a glow-in-the-dark kit too. So maybe I'll do that one for next year's Halloween build. We'll see. So there it is. Anyway, everybody, thanks for stopping by and checking it out. And hope you like it. Let me know what you think about it. And you know, if you want one of my shop cards, let's see, I got those here, I think. Maybe I can show you one. Knock something down here. Here we go. Remember, got my shop cards. It's free junk mail. All you got to do is email me at skipomaticsmodelmania@gmail.com. I'll have that down in the description. And just email me and say, Skip, I want some junk mail. Send me one of those stupid looking cards, and I'll send you one of these. And other than that, I guess it's time to go. Get a video. It's too damn long again. All right. Signing off. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for stopping by. Till next time, we'll catch you later.